Hello my friends, what you will see in this episode. Rio in the forest. And become a wood-eating creature. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me introduce this Samoyed dog. This is Rio, our Samoyed dog. We have come to the forest today to enjoy this great view and weather.
Rio.
On the way, a tree trunk caught Rio's attention. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rio's channel to see more. Make no mistake, this was not the voice of a wolf. It was my voice. You can also follow Rio's page on the Instagram social network. What does Rio's attack on the tree remind you of? Tell me in the comments. I remember the attack of termites. Rio's destructive power is greater than termites. And Rio is still not giving up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rio's channel to see more.
Rio.
We're back home and Rio needs a shower. And Rio is waiting for us to tell him let's eat. You can also follow Rio's page on the Instagram social network. This is Sigge, our Scottish Fold cat.
Elsa. Vill du också? Ja. Kolla på den där.
And this is Rosie, our ragdoll cat.
Gumman.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And you can see the next video here.